How to convert non-standard dates to real dates in Excel. Do you have dates in Excel that look messy and inconsistent? For example, some dates use dots, some contain text, and some are numbers instead of real Excel dates. Today, I'll show you 2 easy ways to convert non-standard dates into standard dates in Excel. Method 1. Use text to columns feature. First, select the cells that contain the values you want to convert. Go to the Data tab and click Text to Columns. In the dialog box, choose Delimited. Then click Next. Click Next again. In the final step, select Date and choose YMD Date format from the drop-down. In the destination box, select a cell to output the result. Then click Finish button. Excel will convert the text or number dates into real date values. However, this method may not work well for some special or mixed date formats. To solve this task, Kutools may help you. Method 2. Use Kutools for Excel. If you have various non-standard date formats, Kutools for Excel can help you convert them only one click. First, select the date list. Then go to the Kutools tab. Click Content. Choose Convert to Date. Now, all non-standard dates are converted into real Excel dates at once. In the dialog box, you can also preview the conversion status. If any converted result is not what you want, you can recover the conversion easily. Finally, close the dialog box. This method is especially useful when your dates are in mixed formats and you want a faster solution. Kutools for Excel offers 300+ powerful tools and AI-powered features to reduce workload by 80% and boost efficiency by 300%. That's all. Try it out and follow for more Excel tips.